Geotechnical investigation services in Ram Puri are essential for any construction project to ensure the stability and safety of the structures being built. These services involve evaluating the soil and rock conditions at the project site to determine their suitability for construction. With the help of advanced tools and techniques, geotechnical engineers assess the properties of the soil, such as its strength, stiffness, and permeability. This information is crucial for designing foundations, retaining walls, and other structural elements that rely on the stability of the ground. Ram Puri is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects taking place. As a result, there is a growing demand for geotechnical investigation services to support these projects. With the increasing population and urbanization, it is vital to ensure that the structures being built are safe and durable. Geotechnical investigations play a crucial role in achieving this goal by providing valuable insights into the subsurface conditions of the area. By conducting thorough investigations, engineers can identify potential risks and design appropriate measures to mitigate them. SCON Design is a leading provider of geotechnical investigation services in Ram Puri. With years of experience in the field, SCON Design has established a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable results to clients. Their team of skilled geotechnical engineers utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to conduct comprehensive investigations. They analyze soil samples, perform in-situ testing, and assess groundwater conditions to gather crucial data for the design and construction phases. By utilizing advanced tools and techniques, their team of geotechnical engineers delivers comprehensive solutions for a wide range of applications. With their expertise and commitment to quality, SCON Design is a reliable partner for any construction project in Ram Puri. Any building project needs geotechnical investigation services in Ram Puri to guarantee the security and stability of the structures being developed. As part of these services, the soil and rock conditions at the project site are assessed for construction compatibility. Geotechnical engineers evaluate the attributes of the soil, such as its strength, stiffness, and permeability, using cutting-edge instruments and methods. Designing foundations, retaining walls, and other structural components that rely on the stability of the ground requires the use of this information. Ram Puri is a city that is fast developing, and there are several development projects going on there. In order to support these initiatives, there is a rising need for geotechnical investigation services. It is crucial to make sure that the structures being erected are secure and long-lasting given the rising population and urbanization. In order to accomplish this, geotechnical investigations are essential since they offer important information about the local subsurface conditions. Engineers can detect potential problems and create suitable countermeasures by performing extensive studies. Leading providers of geotechnical investigation services in Ram Puri include SCON Design. With years of expertise, SCON Design has built a solid reputation